está, ¿ven? ¡Uy!
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today Chava will be showing you how to make a 3D fondant pig cake. If you'd like to learn how to make this cake, please keep on watching. Now you're going to be needing two 8-inch cakes, and he's going to be cutting the top off of one but leaving the top off of the other one. As you see, it's going to make the top of the pig's head.
What's cracking, big homies? Alright, so as you can see right here, I'm just rounding it. I'm just rounding it a little bit more. That way you can have like a smooth head from the sides too. You don't want to have like a squared head, like, you know, like mine. And then you add filling. This one's dulce de leche. Bomb.
And as you can see, he added a lot of filling for this cake, so that way the pig could be pretty tall. Look how tall that is. Also remember that once you put your filling, you're going to go ahead and leave it in the fridge for a couple minutes to let it get hard. And right here, he will begin the first coat. Now after the first coat, it's going to go in the freezer for about 10 minutes or until it's hard. And as you can see all those imperfections, the second coat will totally make the difference. You'll see.
And bam, look at that. A smooth ass cake. It's already ready for fondant. Alright, so right here, this is where I start making all the toppers, like the nose and ears and stuff like that. Alright, so right here we're getting ready to lay fondant. You add the dye, and you knead it until the color is like really pigmented. And then after that, since the cake is tall, it's a little harder, but just try and do it the fastest possible. That way, you know, it won't crack on you, like if it's too dry and stuff like that. But yeah.
so now using the brown chocolate melt, you're gonna melt your chocolate. You're gonna leave it kind of thick and like chunky so that we can create the illusion of mud. And now you're gonna begin putting all of your toppers onto the cake with water so it can make it sticky and stick. Alright guys, so at this point I started getting worried, but once you put the ears, it seriously is life-changing and the pig will look like the cutest thing ever. Just keep, yeah, life-changing. Like, look at that. How cute! Now it starts looking like a pig. So now you're gonna go back in with your chocolate and you're gonna just put it in some areas around the pig to make it look muddy and messy. You know, like a straight out pig from Michoacan. So now that we have the mud effect down, we're gonna take this petal dust in the color cinnamon, and we're gonna make it look dusty, like dirt, like tierra. And to add the finishing touch, we're gonna be adding a bow. This is optional, but our pig is gonna be a puerquita, and we're gonna add a hot pink bow. And it just like, watch Chava make this bow. It's like so satisfying. He's so talented, like I can't. Perfection. Now usually we do go ahead and steam our cakes. In this case we are going for that dusty look, so no need to do it.
And there's the finished product. Check that out. Beautiful, right?
If you guys like this cake, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you all on our next video.
Thank you
Oink, 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 oink.
Thank you very much.